Hi, my name is Diana Riesco Lind. I'm an artist from the Amazon part of Peru, and I would like to invite you to a workshop I'm doing this October, Sunday 11 at 11 a.m. We'll be traveling through Amazon nature. The materials that we will use, colored pencils, and any water-based paint that you might have at home. Watercolor or gouache, for example, a paintbrush, some pencils, and you might need an eraser and a sharpener. This is a beginner's workshop, so it's for the whole family. Hope to see you there. This workshop is part of Octubre Cultural. You can purchase your workshop in AWLC shop.org, and you'd be helping education in Peru.